Hello friends, welcome back to EduSet classes. This is the continuation of our series Geography through Maps, in which I will cover the map of North America and Central America. So let's begin. The North America is the third largest continent of the world after Asia and Africa. The major countries of North America are Canada, United States of America and Mexico. The southernmost country of this particular block is Panama. Panama is the southernmost country. Then you must know that Greenland, though it belongs to Denmark, but physically it is the part of North America. In the west, North America is surrounded by Pacific Ocean. In the east, it is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. Gulf of Mexico is in the south of North America and Arctic Ocean is in the north. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the Mexico. The line Tropic of Cancer passes through the Mexico. Then Arctic Circle, it passes through the Alaska, one of the largest state of United States of America, and Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world after Russia, with its capital called Ottawa. Canada is also known as Land of Lilies, and Canada has the largest coastline in the entire world, around 96,500 kilometers, which is the longest in the world. Here it is Newfoundland, which is the very productive zone for fishing activities. Next, if we talk about the United States of America, then it is the fourth largest country of the world after Russia, Canada, China, and then USA. It is divided into the United States is divided into the 50 such states, and all of these states Hawaii except Hawaii, which is the island, are in the mainland. Alaska is the here you can see Alaska is the largest state of United States of America, and it represents the tundra climate. If we talk about the major important seas of North America, then these are, here you can see this is Bering Sea. Bering Sea divides Russia from Alaska. This is Russia and this is Alaska. So in between, or it is in between the North America. This is North America and this is Asia. Okay, then Beaufort Sea is in the north. Then Baffin Bay. This is Baffin Bay, which is in between the Baffin Island and Greenland. This is Greenland. And Hudson Bay. This is Hudson Bay. Then Labrador Sea. It is in the east. Then here you can see this is Gulf of Mexico. And then this is Gulf of California. And here you can see this is the Gulf of Alaska. So Gulf of Alaska and Gulf of California is in the western side of North America, and Gulf of Mexico is in the south. Labrador Sea, Baffin Bay is in the east, or we can say Beaufort Sea is in the north. Beaufort Sea or Baffin Bay is in the north, or Labrador Sea is in the east. Okay. Then next, if we talk about the important straits of North America, then these are, here you can see this is the Florida Strait, which divides Florida and Cuba. Then this is the Davis Strait, which divides Baffin Island and Greenland. And here you can see this is the Bering Sea. Bering Sea divides Russia and Alaska. There are the 5 major Great Lakes of North America. These lakes are, here you can see Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. They can directly ask to arrange these lakes in the west to east direction. Okay, so you must know that Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. SMHEO, or you can also remember with the mnemonics homes. They can directly ask कि लेक सुपीरियर, लेक मिशिगन, एरी, हुरॉन एंड ओंटारियो कौन से कहाँ पर है, तो ऑल दीज आर इन दी नॉर्थ अमेरिका. Okay, and Lake Superior is the second largest lake in the world after Caspian Sea. And Lake Michigan जो है, that is the only lake out of the all 5 lakes which entirely within the United States. And Lake Ontario is the smallest of all the 5 lakes. Next, if we talk about the mountain ranges, then in the north, here you can see this is Brooks Range. Okay, this is Alaska Range. Then this is Coast Range, then Cascade Range, then Great Basin, then Rocky Mountain, and then further in the south, here it is Sierra Nevada. All these are in the western side of North America. Alaska, और here you can see कौन कौन सी है, Brook Range, Alaska Range, Coast Range, Cascade Range, and Sierra Nevada. All these are in the western side of the, and Rocky Mountain, most important, these are in the western side of the North America. And here you can see Alaska range में एक McKenzie Mountain है. McKenzie Mountain is the highest peak of North America. Then on the eastern side, here you can see Appalachian Mountain. Appalachian Mountain is on the eastern side. They are the fold range mountain and they are very old. They extend from the Quebec in the Canada to the Alabama in the United States of America. Then next you can see here that this is the Canadian Shield. Canadian Shield is made up of the Precambrian rock and it is a rich source of different type of minerals. यहाँ पे अलग अलग मिनरल्स मिलते हैं. वैसे भी जो शील्ड्स होती हैं उसमें बेसिकली कौन कौन से मिनरल्स मिलते हैं, आयरन मिलता है, यूरेनियम, ओके, देन गोल्ड, then copper, then platinum, then diamond. Okay, next here you can see this is the Great Plain. Great Plain is also known as the prairies in North America. और यहाँ पे टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड मिलता है. ओके, टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड. नेक्स्ट अगर यहाँ पे देखें तो यहाँ लॉरेंशियल प्लेट्यू है, लेब्राडोर है, न्यू फाउंडलैंड, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. ओके, एप्लेशियन हो गया, कोस्टल प्लेन हो गया. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रिवर्स, तो मिसिसिपी इज़ अ इम्पॉर्टेंट रिवर ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका and it flows into the Gulf of Mexico. And another rivers are Yukon River, Fraser, Colorado, Mackenzie, Churchill, and then Rio Grande, then Lorient River. All these are in the North America. Next we talk about the Middle America. तो मिडिल अमेरिका स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मैक्सिको टू पनामा. ओके, मैक्सिको टू पनामा इज कॉल्ड मिडिल अमेरिका. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द सेंट्रल अमेरिका देन इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द ग्वाटेमाला टू पनामा. ओके, ग्वाटेमाला टू पनामा इज़ अ सेंट्रल अमेरिका. एंड मिडिल अमेरिका में जो लार्जेस्ट सिटी कंट्री है दैट इज़ द मैक्सिको. मैक्सिको सिटी इज़ द कैपिटल है उसकी. उसके अलावा सेंट्रल अमेरिका में जो है दैट इज़ द ग्वाटेमाला, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama and Belize. These are in the Central America. And out of the 7 countries of Central America, 5 of these countries have their on both these sides. कौन कौन सी हैं? Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica and Panama. इनका दोनों साइड है. That is on both these sides, Pacific as well as Atlantic Ocean. And 2 of them only coast on the one side. That is the कौन सी कंट्री है जिनका वन साइड कोस्ट है? एक तो बेलीज़ी है एंड देन अल सल्वाडोर है. ओके, सो द कंट्री, अगर वो पूछते हैं द कंट्री विच हैज़ द कोस्ट ओनली ऑन द ईस्टर्न साइड दैट इज़ इन द अटलांटिक ओशियन में जिसका कोस्ट है दैट इज़ द बेलीज़ी. एंड द कंट्री which has the coast only on the western side, so this is El Salvador. Okay, next Panama is in the south. Panama is the southernmost country located in between the Costa Rica, यहाँ पे कोस्टा रिका है, and then Colombia. नेक्स्ट अगर हम कैरेबियन सी में देखें तो कैरेबियन सी में जो मेजर आइलैंड्स हैं उनको ग्रेट एंटलीज बोलते हैं, जो छोटे छोटे से आइलैंड हैं उनको लेसर एंटलीज बोलते हैं. तो ग्रेट एंटलीज में कौन कौन से आते हैं? क्यूबा. क्यूबा सबसे बड़ा है. क्यूबा अगर पॉपुलेशन वाइज, एरिया वाइज सबसे बड़ा है. उसके बाद हियर यू कैन सी क्यूबा हो गया, जमाइका हो गया, हेती हो गया, डोमिनिकन रिपब्लिकन हो गया, एंड बहामास हो गया. दीज कम्स अंडर द ग्रेट एंटलीज. एंड क्यूबा जो है दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आइलैंड इन द कैरेबियन सी. क्यूबा विथ इट्स कैपिटल क्या है? हवाना. क्यूबा की कैपिटल है. इज़ द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट शुगर प्रोड्यूसर है. इसके अलावा हेती, जमाइका, डोमिनिकन रिपब्लिकन, बहामास है. एंड लेसर एंटलीज में ये छोटे छोटे से आइलैंड है. So that is it for the day, friends. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.